The pit bike sector isn't exactly what you would call overpopulated, if you know what I mean, but the bracket is fairly well defined and popular, particularly on the West Coast. What started out as a non-off-road ride whose primary function in life was motocross trackside transit has expanded into a class all its own, and as with anything else that moves, has begun to serve as a race platform all its own. I wanted to look at this little pocket rocket and see how well SSR does against its worthy competitors at Honda and Kawasaki. So, it's been kicked around ad infinitum already, but bears repeating that the Rascal looks like nothing so much as the runt of a Ducati monster litter. Not that I'm complaining. As far as I'm concerned, that's just part of the overall charm. A fat front tire and minimal fender leads the way, and an adorable pair of inverted front forks is enough to make a body look twice. Yes, inverted forks. An over-under headlamp can mount high and low beams, and also serves as a support for the instrument cluster and front turn signal standoffs.